Welcome to Cooking with Dragons. My name is Rourke, and today we are making Jalapeno Popper Biscuits with pepperoni. This recipe is going to be very simple. It's just 4 ingredients. Well, 5 ingredients. It's going to have some jalapenos, going with some large ones, some biscuits. These are about 80 cents, so this is a cheap meal. Some pepperoni. I got a large bag while I could. And some taco blend cheese, because that's what I got. You can use whatever cheese you like. Cheese slices would probably be better for this, but that's all I have. So, and we're gonna put a little bit of bacon bits on there. So this is just 5 ingredients. So, and I got the oven going for 400, as the package says. So this is our ingredients. As we can see, I don't think I'm gonna be using that seasoning, so that's just gonna be used to hold the camera, hopefully, if I need to. I don't think it would do a good job, but we'll see. Anyway, first thing I think we'll do is start with the jalapenos. So I'm gonna set this down for a minute. So the first thing you want to do for your jalapenos, since you always want to wash your fruits and vegetables. And as I said in the previous video, the reason I'm doing this one-handed is just because it's a lot easier to record and edit stuff this way. So, turn your water on, give it a nice rinse, set it aside. Ready. And if you were going to remove the seeds, you would roll it between your hands first, but we're leaving those seeds and everything on it, so we're going to try to use the whole pepper except for the stems, so yeah. Be right back. Okay, we're going to start off with 1 jalapeno just to see how that does. So next, take our biscuits, get them out of the packet. There's our biscuits. Next, what we're going to do is we're just going to roll it out. So you're going to take a rolling pin or something like this, just roll out the biscuits until they're flat. So I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, we're back. Now, as we can see, the dough here is a lot more flattened out a little bit. That's how you want it. Nice and flat, kind of like a pancake almost. And then you're going to take your pepperoni, put like 2 slices on each. 2 slices of pepperoni is all you really need. And this is just the bottom layer, because you don't want to do too much pepperoni, otherwise it won't really fit. So, there we go. If you get bigger biscuits, you can probably do more, but I'm just doing with what I got. So, and then we're going to take some bacon bits. Alright, now we have the bacon bits there. I'm going to take some, just sprinkle it over the top a little bit. Just pat it in there so it gets nice and stuck in there. That's what you want. Just a few crumbs, not too much. Just to taste the bacon. And some of it's going to be kind of hot because it's in the jalapeno juices. That's going to be cool. Or hot, however you want to say it. Here's our... And then you're going to take 2 slices of pepperoni or jalapeno and do the same thing as you would on the... Yeah, we'll just do 1. 1 piece of jalapeno since it's so big. That's what she said. Had to go there. And there we go. Next, we'll take our cheese. That looks pretty good so far, I think. Hopefully I don't drop this cheese, but you know. I'll just show you what I'm doing, and then I'll put the camera down for a second. So there's that. Just a touch of cheese, really. Ready? Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take it over. Just plop that right over. And then you're just going to seal them all shut. Here we have our jalapeno popper biscuits with pepperoni in them. Now I'm just going to load them up onto the tray. Alrighty, so here we have our jalapeno popper bacon, our bacon jalapeno poppers biscuits with pepperoni. That's their new name. Because I forgot I had bacon bits to them, so yeah. These are going into the oven for about 10-15 minutes. I'll go for 10. Alright, this oven's nice and hot. Stick that right in there. We'll be back in 10 minutes. And we're back again. So we got 1 minute left. And I went ahead and made this is a garlic parmesan butter sauce that I went ahead and made. Just melt down the butter and you put some of that sauce over top of the butter so it doesn't burn. And then we're just going to put the biscuits over top of it. And it is really raining outside right now, so that's what that noise is. Check at that. Here's the rain. Loud rain. Yep, and I went and cleaned up a little bit while I could, so I'll put that away in a second. I just wanted to show you what I was doing with it. And there's our biscuits. See how they look. Ow. Perfect. Very nice. Yeah, it's sticking out a little bit, that's okay. And you just take a little bit of that. You can also take a brush, that'd probably be a lot easier. Just let that kind of rain down. Just a little bit. Enough to coat each one. And yeah. So here we have our bacon jalapeno popper biscuits with pepperoni. Just gonna give them a minute to cool down. Get another plate actually. Take one. They're nicely done, so that's good. And there's our inside. Nice melted cheesy. Got that steam coming off there. And this one. Just gonna let it cool down for a minute before I take a bite and tell you how it tastes. Let's try it out. That's pretty nice. You get that nice flaky crust, a nice flaky biscuit. You get that heat kind of building in the back. It's not too overpowering, I don't think. You get that nice pepperoni, nice cheese. It's really good. Alright. Bacon jalapeno biscuits with bacon and pepperoni. Check them out. Thank you for watching. My name is Rourke for Cooking with Dragons. We are exploring the world of food. See you next time and eat food responsibly. I'll think of a better catchphrase, don't worry.